Hi everyone, this is your final exam announcement. I need you to listen very carefully because this is one of those situations where missing one detail can cost you greatly. We finished our last week of class. Your final exam is in person during our regular scheduled class time if you are in my in-person class. If you're online, your final exam will be available to you online. It will be available in the same format. We'll open up to you on that final week of class, but you'll take it fully online. The final is worth 100 points, which is 10% of your total course grade. There are no makeups and no late exams. If you're not in the classroom on the scheduled day, you will earn a 0 for our face-to-face. If you do not take the exam online during the scheduled time frame, you will receive a 0. So make sure you plan accordingly. Now, format and scope. The quick exam is 50 questions. It's a mix of multiple choice and true and false. It covers everything in modules 1 through 8. That includes the lectures, the readings, the activities, and the case studies. Also important, the exam is pulled from a 2,500 question test bank, so no two exams are identical. That means you prepare by understanding the material, not by trying to memorize someone else's answers. So the big question is when and where. If you are face-to-face, your final exam will be in our regularly scheduled class time. You'll take it on a computer through Blackboard in our regular classroom. If you're an online student, either an 8 or a 16 week, it will open up on the Monday of the final week and will be due on the Friday of the final week. So here's the smart move. If you're face-to-face, come to class early and test the device you plan to use to make sure it works on campus. On Wednesday, or the day of the actual exam, arrive early so you can get seated and confirm your tech is ready before we start. And if you're online, make sure you jump in, check your technology, your internet connection before you ever begin the exam. Once you click open, if you close it for any purpose, that is your attempt. You get one attempt and you complete it in one setting. The exam is password protected. The password will be written on a whiteboard at the start of class and will be emailed out to you for students that are online. So if you're not there, you don't get it. After you submit, you can review your answers one time, read them only. After that single review, the exam locks and you'll not able to access it again. So your tech checklist for this, use Chrome or Edge. Close any extra tabs and apps. Make sure your computer isn't about to restart for any updates. If something breaks during the exam, alert me immediately. Don't sit there refreshing your screen and making it worse. So end of term deadline, the final reminder, the final day of class is always the final Friday of finals week at 5 p.m. Anything not submitted by 5 p.m. becomes a 0. And that's the second it becomes 5 p.m., not 5 p.m. and 59 seconds. So, all right, prepare yourself, pace yourself, finish strong. If you have any questions, ask them before the day of exam. All right, guys, have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.